Man, I love watching Phineas and Ferb. Such a good cartoon. I'm glad that I'm watching the whole series again. Too bad I can't watch my other brother, but it doesn't matter. It's 5 o'clock. Give me the remote. What? Dude, no, I was here first. What do you mean, bruh? You had it all day. What episode are you on? I'm on the 5th episode. That makes no sense. That's not fair. You had the remote longer, so give me the remote. Nuh-uh. Well, I'm using it, so you can't use it. Hey guys, I was wondering if we... Can it, twerp? Alright, fine, frick y'all. Anyway, Blueberry, you cannot use this remote because I'm watching it, Jerry. There's an hour-long freaking food channel that's going up right now, and if I don't watch it, we are having a rumble. You're literally gonna fight over a freaking remote? That's kind of pathetic of you. No, I'm being serious. And when I'm serious, you're dead. What, are you using your 1% of brain cells? Yes. Okay, no. No, I can still destroy you. Okay, if you're not gonna let me have the remote, then I'm gonna have to force it. And what are you gonna do? What? Dude, you turned it off! Yeah. And now the remote's mine. Oh, heck no. You get back here, little bro. Blueberry, give me back the remote. You wouldn't hit a guy with glasses, would you? You're 4 eyes. Of course I would. Ouch! Oh, frick. I hit. Oh. Haha. Get back here. No, it's mine. No, get off me. No, I want it. Wait. We're not cavemen. Okay. How about we just fight instead of trying to grab the remote? All right, fine. Don't touch it. I'll grab it. You don't trust me or something? Nah. All right, there. Now we can continue our battle. All right then, bring it. Gladly. Wait, I didn't expect. Ow! Ow! Oh! Ah! No, that's not fair! Ah! You're shamed! You're in shame, baby! Wow, that was easy. Well, I guess I win the remote then. Oh, hell no. No.
By the power of my hand.
Give me a sec. I'm trying to find it. Dog, I already won. Hashtag nuh-uh. Behold! The Bud Scratcher 3000. Alright, I guess around 2 then. We're gonna do it in widescreen! No! Get back here! No! Let me go! Let me go! No, please! Please let me go! Say that I win! Heck nah! Ouch!
Come here.
I won. No, you cheated. It's time for my explosion. Oh, shit. Oof. Ouch. Oh, God, that was a big burp. Oh, God. Oh, no. Jerry. fighting over television. You're all gonna laugh about this in the future. Thanks for everything, Blueberry. Come on, Jerry, we're just messing around. Jerry? Jerry? Jerry! No! But at the same time, I can watch TV. Yeah, it's time to watch. The frick are you doing here? Oh, hey, Dad, your TV show got canceled for some reason. Are you kidding me? So you decided to watch TV? Well, I thought it would be fine because you and Jerry keep hogging the TV remote, so I was like, hey, what if I can have the remote for a change? Just take it, man. Just take it. I'm getting the Coke. Whee! Alright. See you later, Big Back. Well, guess the end of the story is don't do drugs.